Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sell KuCoin USDT. First, you'll need to ensure your USDT is in your main account. This is a crucial initial step before you can proceed with any sale or withdrawal. We'll walk through transferring funds, selecting the best withdrawal method for your needs, and finally, completing the transaction securely and efficiently. Before you can sell or withdraw, your USDT must be in your main account. Navigate to your assets, find your USDT, and select Transfer. Choose to move funds from your trading account to your main account. Double-check the amount you wish to transfer to avoid any delays in the process. This ensures your funds are ready for the next step. Now that your USDT is in your main account, it's time to choose how you want to receive your funds. KuCoin offers several fiat withdrawal options, including bank transfers or third-party payment services. Carefully review the fees and processing times for each method to select the one that best suits your needs. Ensure your linked account details are accurate. Finally, confirm your sale order and initiate the withdrawal. You'll receive a confirmation once the transaction is complete, and your funds should arrive in your chosen account within the specified timeframe. Always keep an eye on your transaction history for updates. For more great deals, including a link to grab Little Tree's black ice for your car, check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.